Then progress arrived. The shelves sparkled with brightly colored snacks, sugary drinks, frozen dinners, instant noodles. At first, everyone was excited. Cooking became quicker. Children begged for chips instead of fruit. Backyard gardens slowly disappeared. Fruit trees dropped their harvest onto empty ground. One warm spring morning, a familiar face returned to Green Valley. Her name was Maya Thompson. Every corner reminded her of the childhood she had cherished. But the village she remembered was slowly disappearing. The community garden that once fed everyone now stood silent. Maya invited everyone to gather beneath the old baobab tree that Sunday afternoon. She carried 2 simple baskets that would change everything. She smiled and asked, "Which basket looks more like the food nature created?" An elderly farmer slowly stood and broke the silence. Instead of offering a diet, Maya proposed one simple challenge: return to the foods nature had always provided. That afternoon, Green Valley took its first step toward rediscovering healthy living. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.